Let me ask you something. You get paid, you feel relieved, maybe even a little proud, for one day. Then suddenly the balance drops. Bills appear, stress comes back, and quietly you ask yourself, why does my salary never feel enough? If that question sounds familiar, you're not alone. You work hard, you show up every day, you trade your time for money, and still money feels tight. Still savings feel far away. Still checking your bank account feels uncomfortable. The worst part isn't the money. It's the feeling that something is wrong with you, like you should be doing better, like everyone else has it figured out. But here's the truth. Your problem is not your salary. Your money isn't disappearing, it's leaking. Imagine a bucket. You pour water into it, but there are small holes at the bottom. No matter how much water you add, the bucket never fills. That's how money works for most people. Small leaks, daily leaks, coffee on the way to work, food delivery after a long day, subscriptions you forgot you even had, small online purchases that feel harmless. Each one feels small, almost invisible, but together they drain everything. You think the solution is more money, a raise, a better job, but something strange happens when income goes up. Life upgrades too. A nicer phone, a bigger place, more comfort, more convenience. Your lifestyle grows faster than your income. That's why someone earning $3,000 and someone earning $10,000 can feel the exact same stress, same pressure, different numbers. This isn't because people are irresponsible. It's because nobody explains this early enough. The most dangerous expenses aren't big, they're quiet. Auto payments, apps you barely use, habits that feel normal, $10 here, $15 there. By the end of the month, hundreds are gone. Not stolen, not wasted on purpose, just unnoticed. And awareness changes everything. Not judgment, not guilt, awareness. So let's talk about simple control. Not strict rules, not complex plans, simple moves. First, pay yourself first. Before you spend, save something, even $20. It's not about the amount, it's about telling your money that it has a job. Next, track your spending for 1 week, just 1 week, every dollar. Not to shame yourself, just to see the truth. Most people are shocked by what they discover. Then fix one leak, not all of them, just one. One subscription, one habit, one expense. Progress beats perfection every time. And finally, stop trying to look rich. Looking rich is expensive. Being calm is priceless. Choose peace. Let me tell you about someone named Alex. Alex earns $4,000 a month, a decent income, a stable job. But Alex felt stressed all the time. Money was gone before the month ended. So Alex tracked spending. Food delivery, subscriptions, random shopping. Nothing extreme, just constant. Alex made small changes. No suffering, no big sacrifices. Saved $400 a month. For the first time, Alex felt control. And that control changed everything. Here's the mindset shift most people miss. Money needs direction. If you don't tell money where to go, it will disappear. Control is not restriction. Control is freedom. Freedom to breathe, freedom to plan, freedom to sleep without stress. You don't need a perfect system. You need a starting point. One decision today can change your entire year. Small control, big peace. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe to this channel. Comment control if you're ready to take charge of your money, and share this with someone who feels stressed every payday. We don't chase money here, we build peace.